To fix a frozen screen on the Redmi Note 15, you have to just click on this volume up button and the power button at the same time, and you have to hold it all the time. It will take around, I believe, 5 seconds or 6 seconds of holding both buttons simultaneously. And now when the screen goes black, we can release those buttons. And now as you can see, the phone turns on back, which means that we successfully actually performed this reboot. So now the smartphone will turn on back and it will just works normally. But of course, if it will just happen over and over, it means that you have to fix your device. So we can do this, for example, by removing all of the bloatware from your phone, or clearing the storage by using the security application, or you can perform, for example, the factory reset of your phone. So yeah, this is the quick method for this one. Let me know if it works, and thanks for watching.